Have you ever wondered how your phone understands your voice? Or how Netflix knows just what to recommend? This magic comes from artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, we'll unravel the wonders of AI and show you how it works. So, what exactly is AI? AI refers to machines that mimic human intelligence. These machines can learn, reason, and even solve problems. But how do they achieve this? Let's dive deeper. First, we start with data. Data is information. Think of it as the raw material for AI. Machines learn patterns from vast amounts of data. This process is called training. Next, we have algorithms. Algorithms are the set of rules or instructions that guide the AI. They analyze data, extract insights, and make predictions. Without algorithms, AI can't function. Then, we move to machine learning, a subset of AI. Here, machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means the more data they receive, the smarter they become. Deep learning is another important concept. It's a more advanced version of machine learning. Deep learning uses neural networks that mimic the human brain. This enables machines to recognize images, speech, and even text. Now, let's explore some real-world uses of AI. Consider self-driving cars. They utilize AI to navigate and make safe decisions. They analyze data from sensors and cameras to understand their surroundings. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases. AI can analyze medical images quicker than humans, leading to faster diagnoses. Another example is virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. They use AI to understand and respond to your commands. They learn from your preferences, making future interactions easier. Let's summarize what we've learned. AI mimics human intelligence using data and algorithms. It involves machine learning and deep learning. AI has many real-life applications, including self-driving cars, healthcare, and virtual assistants. As you explore the world of AI, consider how it might benefit your life or career. To dive deeper into AI, subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Also, check out resources like online courses or books on AI. Expand your knowledge and join the AI revolution today.